Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today, we will be learning how to log out of Garena Free Fire. To log out of Garena Free Fire application on your mobile device, first of all, launch the Garena Free Fire app on your device and from the home screen, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. You will then be able to see a logout or the exit button at the bottom left corner. Simply tap on the door exit icon. And you have an option to log out from the current account or log out from all the devices. If you're skeptical about the security of your account, you can tap on log out from all device and tap on log out. But if you want to log out from the current account only, tap on the first option and tap on log out. Soon after you do that, you will be signed out of your Garena Free Fire account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Free Fire tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.